Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make studio lights so perfect, so bright, so cheap for your home studio. So I went to the shop, I was looking for the cheapest one, and as you can see, they are very bright. I found this one for 15 euros in a local store. The lights are already soft because they have some layer which make them very soft and very natural. This one you can buy for maybe $2 or 2 euros if you're in Europe. And let's go to another section. Whoa, what a Spider-Man reflexes. This one is like $3, 3 euros, and you need a cable. This is very important because the cable which you need to buy should only have 2 wires, not 3, because LED are connected with 2 wires, no grounding. You need to consult with professional before you do something like this. Like I said in this video, we will ask the guy. We will ask the guy. So please ask the guy. So I bought the cable, like 2 meters long. Now I have 2 wires. I'm not an expert. I don't have a license, so you should just do it yourself. For more information, ask somebody who knows. What you need here is some screwdrivers, some cable scissors, knife, and the rest of the stuff which you saw in the video earlier. Yeah, this one is 3200 lumens and 24 watts with 4000 Kelvin. Let's open this, and as you can see, there's some layer on the top and there's a connector on the bottom. We will remove the connector. One more tutorial of how to remove the tip of your knife if it's not sharp enough. The correct way. Now you need to split the cable in half from both sides and remove the excess part. Unscrew the top. Also remove the excess part and connect the wires. Tuck it in. Put it back together. Take some advice from our young experts and connect it back. And this step is important because you need to measure the distance between the light and the switch. You just cut it in half, unscrew this, cut it in half, connect the wires, put it back together, and notice that something is wrong. Then you remove this something and put it back perfectly. Screw it back, use this stuff, examine it, open up, split it in half but gently, show something unimportant, and put the wires in, put it back together, examine it again, and let's test it. And after some tests, I can say that I'm satisfied with the results. So as I said, consult with the professionals. See you next video. Bye.